Welcome to Mystical Minds. I'm your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Focus on a new chapter. Our present is our creation from yesterday. The more we contemplate it and act on it, the more we perpetuate it, whether negative or positive. If you want to create a better today, focus on a new chapter and declare it into being. Don't allow yesterday to rewrite the script. Be the leader and ultimately change the course. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. I believe this poem completely, and I believe that what you put out there is what's going to come back. That's why the poem says that. So if you're putting out negativity, then that's what's going to come back to you. So put out positivity, then that will come back. So if you have something in mind that you love, and would love to be doing that for a living, put that out there. Believe that it's already there. And I believe the universe will open the doors for you to walk through to make it be. I believe that with all my heart and soul. That's why I say, always follow love. And that's what will come back to you. Thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.